So today I present to you my new timepiece. It's a Citizen for Promaster, the Yacht Master. A circle timepiece with a bidirectional bezel, in ceramic. Like we can see, the dial is a solar screen for charge the battery. It's a solar timepiece. I love the diver because I have this sumo, this turtle for Propex, but for me the prospects of Citizen is the Promaster, and this one have a particular design. I love this. The size is around 42 millimeters. I show you on my wrist after, but look very cool. I chose this strap from cheapest NATO strap. It's NATO in nylon. The timepiece come with this cool metal strap, very cool finish. But for this summer I love the color and I put a nylon strap. I hesitate with this rubber in gray. I have this in orange. Me, diver need a strap who can go in the water, and this NATO is perfect for this. All the three timepieces have a strap for swim, surf, and other thing. This timepiece from Citizen is my new timepiece for this summer, with the cool surf session soon. Like you can see, I love the dial and the sub dial numeric. If I turn the bezel here, the function change here. Timer, alarm 1, 2, time, date with calendar and chronometer. It's a circle timepiece, very cool finish. Have a good day.